Big crazy. Anyways, somebody told me to react to this. I'm gonna see. It was Black Scorpio. Um, Certified Trapper. I think he's still locked up, but free bro for sure. Let's get into it. I ain't got too much to say. And I got the grill in. And I got, oh yeah, I got the 3 phones with me. Don't worry.
Run through the east. I bash niggas coming down here tryna sneak. Custom dunks on, nigga. FNN 57. Put your ass to sleep. I'm a young chop. Put your ass to sleep.
Hit that, man.
I'm a young chop, nigga, so you know I keep my heat. St. Francis on my dick, finna take him to the east. Yeah, I got the Jackie on my lap, it's gon' blow when I sneeze. Jamie just called and you know she want 300. Get in this car with your sack and you know I dinner dump it. I got some G's in that stash and that bitch tryna touch it. Phone ring it back to back, little bitch, and I love it. Caught a nigga in the gas station, he was with his mama. Hop out with that fat. Send him to the dock, fancy ass bitch. Want some fucking problems? Running through this shit. Run through the east. I bash niggas coming down here tryna sneak. Custom dunks on, nigga. FNN 57. Put your ass to sleep. I'm a young chop, nigga, so you know I keep my heat. St. Francis on my dick, finna take him to the east. Yeah, I got the Jackie on my lap.
I fuck with this.
It's gon' blow when I sneeze.
That shit was cool. Good song, man. Shit, free bro. They got the club turned. That shit cool to me that he make all his beats. I didn't mean to do that. And record all his videos. Nigga, a one-man army. He do all his shit himself. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of times he just record his own video. He just sit the camera down here, rap in front of that bitch. Not too many people doing that shit. That shit fire. Good looking Scorpio. Put me on that. I'm gonna tell him it's done. Oh. Alright, so. Hey, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to react to some more songs too. I've just been dropping hella shit. Especially when bro get out, I know he gonna be turned because he got a couple cosigns and everybody got his eyes on him. So, and free bro, get out, do well, bro.